sumalang sa investigasyon. Lahat ginagawa para pagtakpan sila. I will start with the 17 initial congressmen identified by the discussion. And then, let me go back to the 67 contractors, congressmen, intimated by Senator King.
Contractors.
Sinabi niya, I have a list of 67
Wow, that's-
contractors.
Dami.
Hindi mo kayo nagtataka bakit isa man lang wala siyang tawagan? What about the 17? Kaya nga gusto kong malaman, kung tatawagin niya si Martin Romualdez, make him appear before the committee. Para makapagtanong naman kami.
Hindi mo. And Joel, Commissioner Lipana, Undersecretary Bernardo,
Congressman Zaldico.
Saldico, and Mitch Cahayon.
Why was not Martin Romualdez not included?
That's through the ICI. Maybe you should ask
Because
the
they are
ICI.
trying to discredit Dutesa's testimony?
No, they haven't summoned
ICI pa
Gutesa.
lang.
So
O
you
ba't
can-
hindi nila isama si Gutesa?
the same reason why they cannot summon him in the
natin eh.
Senate.
Yes, sir.
We're all looking for the mastermind, the
That
most
will-
guilty.
That will come at some point.
Is everybody looking for the mastermind?
Of
Parang
course.
kayo lang.
I think everybody
We
should
should
be
be.
looking. Should be
They
looking
should
for the
be,
We're
but
supposed
it
to be
doesn't
looking
appear
at
to
the
be so.
mastermind.
The Senate
By
started
the
off
way,
on the
this is
right
just,
foot.
according to Justice Andy Reyes, this is just the first interim report nila on the findings. So, but let's just take it as it is right now. So how do you think, is this a good beginning? This is the start
It's
of
a
the
good
many
beginning.
charges.
It's a good beginning. Pero sinasabi ko nga, hindi ko naman sinasabi na huwag nating habulin ang mga sapsap. Ang palagi kong sinasabi, yung mga butete, yung mga dilis, okay lang yon. But let us not forget yung malalaking isda sapagkat sila talaga ang promotor ng pagnanakaw ng pera ng bayan.
May tanong po ako sa inyo, mauhupa ba ang galit ng taong bayan pansamantala kung nakasuhan si Senator Joel at si Jinggoy? Kasi ang sabi nila, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang investigation. So, do you think this will quiet down the public wrath for... I think this is just temporary, but ano po ang tingin ninyo?
I don't know kung mapapacify natin o mauhupa ang ano ng tao. Sapagkat ang nakikita nila, pagka mga congressmen ang dapat na sumalang sa investigasyon, lahat ginagawa para pagtakpan sila. I will start with the 17 initial congressmen identified by the discussion. And then, let me go back to the 67 contractors, congressmen, intimated by Senator King.
Contractors, you mean?
Sinabi niya, I have a list of 67
Wow,
contractors.
Dami.
Hindi mo kayo nagtataka bakit isa man lang wala siyang tawagan? What about the 17? Kaya nga gusto kong malaman, kung tatawagin niya si Martin Romualdez, make him appear before the committee. Para makapagtanong naman kami.
At sana hindi closed door, no?
Walang closed door yan.
Lalo magagaling ang taong bayan kung
Sa
i-close
ICI.
Yung
door.
ICI,
closed
kaya
door
siguro
siya.
hindi masyadong naniniwala ang tao dyan because hindi alam ng tao eh. Ang tao, interesado sila. Why? This is their money.
Correct.
Alam mo yun, sabi ko nga, hanggang ngayon naghahanap ako kung paano yung sasagot ko sa kanila eh. I hope I can bend the law. Why? Sabi nila, Senator, tulungan mo naman kami. Kami kahit na ganito kami kahirap, pinipilit namin magbayad ng buwis. Ganito pala nga niyan, kinapuntahan ng buwis namin. Pwede bang ilaban mo naman kami para wag naman kaming magbayad ng buwis kahit sa 2026 lang?
parang
What am I
nangyayari-
supposed to tell them?
Agreed, sir.
But it's
If I can bend the law, I will ask the BIR.
Pero alam niyo ho, mukhang nangyayari na because I understand from the reports of the Finance Department, the collection has gone down because primarily the people are so
Hindi natin,
frustrated.
Yeah.
hindi natin madi-discount yan kasi
Correct.
galit nga yung tao eh. But if I want the people, I want to please them. Pwede ko bang i-bend man lang ang batas? Kahit konti lang para mapagbigyan ko ito. Kasi nga yung kanilang sentimiento, Attorney Edwin, Attorney Trixie, valid eh. Pera nila ito eh. Nagsikap sila, luha, dugo ang kanilang ginugol dito. Pagkatapos makikita nilang ganun lang palang kapupuntahan.
Correct.
Masama pa ekonomiya.
It's a-
Masakit yung pagbayad ng buwis.
This is a valid expression of anger because of what we've seen right now po eh. So talagang everybody is mad at that's why yung mantra, yung chant ngayon, ikulong na yan, mga kurakot eh.
O, tapos ang gagawin nila, para lang ma-sway sa ibang direksyon, si Gutesa ngayon papapanagutin. Anong malay niya? Binigay lang niya yung papel doon sa window nung kung sino man yun. Akalain mo yung lugar na yun, pinakunan ko na litrato eh. Alam mo nakalagay na paskil doon, Attorney Edwin, Attorney Trixie. Notary Public 24/7.
Hindi
Yung mga
natutulog.
abogado doon, hindi na natutulog
Oo
yun.
nga eh. Parang
So,
ano?
Chances are,
ginigising.
that lawyer, kung sino man yun, hindi siya talaga pumipirma ron. But
Yes.
she assigned or he assigned somebody na pipirma sa kanya. And that is the violation in the notarial
Yes.
law.
But let's discuss
sir.
moving forward. no? In the same way that you had a surprise witness, like I said a while ago, Senator Lacson claims to have a surprise witness. Isn't it your duty as a collegial body and as a member? I remember saying that in a committee, all our members and the chairman is not a master but a presiding officer. So what actions would you take to, at the very least, identify the surprise witness? Even para wala nitong gulo na nangyari doon sa hearing, parang would you like to ask Senator Lacson to...
I will ask the minority leader. Kasi ako, deputy minority leader lang. I will
Okay.
ask Senator Alan. Siguro, total, para hindi na maging surprise, sabihin niya na kung sino.
May understanding.
Palagi ko may time naman siya na gawin yun. Hindi kagaya ko na talagang tinitingnan ko muna kung darating o hindi. Kaya ako nagkulang ng time. Pero may courtesy ako dahil sinabi ko naman sa kanya ng circumstances before I introduce the guy before the committee.
My recollection of Senate rules is you can temporarily not disclose, but it cannot be before at least there should be reasonable notice to inform the collegial body na there's this witness para at least lahat kayo handa. If
Sana
you have
ganun ang
questions.
gawin niya, di ba?
Maganda ko kung ganun sana ang mangyayari moving forward. Kasi hindi lang siguro isang surpresang witness ang lalapit sa inyo, lalapit sa ibang mga senador. Kaya mabuti siguro pag-usapan po
And
ninyo.
better still sana, magtawag muna siya ng caucus, halimbawa, kung ayaw niyang mag-meet yung buong Blue Ribbon, para discuss natin. Sa akin, aside from that, kailangan merong ground rules dito eh. Alam mo kung bakit ko pinipilit ang ground rules? Hindi ko na maintindihan itong nangyari nung panahon niya eh. Nag-hearing kami, darating si Boying Remulla, the Department of Justice, kukunin niya yung isang resource person, dadalhin sa NBI, pagdating niya, merong supplemental affidavit. What is this? What is the arrangement between the Blue Ribbon Committee and the DOJ? And then silang dalawa ni Senate President Soto, pupunta sa ICI, makikipag-meeting doon, pagkatapos babalik sa... What is the arrangement between the Blue Ribbon Committee and the ICI vis-a-vis the DOJ? Naghalo na yung balat sa tinaluban eh.
But
Sir, yung mga diskaya, sinabi na nila dun, speaking of ICI, sabi na nila dun sa ICI that they're not going to appear anymore or hindi na sila magko-cooperate sa ICI. Sa tingin nyo, mag-appear pa sila sa Senate Blue Ribbon?
I don't know.
But they have
Hindi
contempt
kaya,
powers kasi in the Senate. Eh.
So,
They should.
papatawag pa rin kaya
Kasi
sila?
siguro na, ito sa supposition ko lang naman, siguro nawalan sila ng interest dahil sa, sabi mo, they ask for protection under the Witness Protection Program. Ako naman, ang nalalaman ko, we can provide that because under the law, Section 4 of the WPP, they can be processed. Mag-apply sila.
Were they provided they were already provided protection. Diba?
Hindi nga eh. Kasi
Wala
nung
ba?
ako ang Blue Ribbon Committee, doon sa kanilang sworn statement, humihingi sila ng witness protection. So I, as the chairman, sumulat ako sa Senate President at that time, si
Cheese.
Escudero. Kaya lang hindi nagkaroon ng katuparan yon dahil habang ginagawa ko pala yon, nagkudita na kami. So ayaw ng pagbigyan ni the new Senate President
Right.
Tito Soto. Kasi kinukuha niya yung sinabi naman ng then Secretary of Justice that before they can be processed under the Witness Protection Program, they should do some restitution. Sabi ko, teka muna. That was re-echoed by the Senate President. Sabi ko, wala naman ganun sa
Bago yan,
rules
ha?
eh.
Bago yan.
Bago naman ata yan eh. O sabi ni Boy, hanggang sa nagkaroon kami ng konting pagtatalo, why are you adding a requirement that exists in the law?
Respectfully, Senator Marcoleta, I also feel that those requirements, these are threshold procedural requirements.
Yes, sir.
Restitution can happen either before or after.
Or after?
Because remember, every criminal
Not
liability...
before,
cares-
if you talk about
walang
the
rule.
application.
Where's the rule?
Siguro after, because that is the most...
I
Once
disagree with that
na-establish.
because all the in the case of the Napoles, that was also part of that. Eh? You were requiring because The reason why it is not a sixth element, because number one, it's a substantive yan eh. Procedural yung sinasabi doon sa discharge of a state witness. And restitution is not present in the way that is fashioned when you're stealing money. Restitution always happens, but not in the way, like in the case of plunder. Not all cases are plunder, so that restitution will not be found in the general procedural rules. Kasi hindi lahat ng crime eh.
But what standard? We understand pag after kasi fruits of the crime na siya or ano. But before, what will be the basis of your restitution?
It's a discretion of the judge.
No, but this one, nag-a-apply pa siya.
Hindi, wala pa sa judge. Wala pa.
Nag-a-apply siya kasi
WPP pa lang.
kailangan i-process mo siya under the law. WPP pa lang.
Wait.
Hindi
Dalawa
pa
ho yan
court.
eh. There were two things, if I recall. One was protection, and one has to be discharge of state
State
witness, which
witness.
is the most
WPP.
importante sa kanila yun.
Hindi, ganito yan kasi Section 3, di ba? Pag ginawa mo Section 3, ito hindi siya kasama sa crime. Pero nag-a-apply siya ng witness protection dahil medyo mabigat ang testimony. But in this case, we're applying under Section 10 kasi kasama sila dito sa problemang iniimbestigahan. So, restitution, wala siya sa batas eh. Can you imagine the title itself of the law? It's witness protection and benefit. So to burden the potential applicant of restitution, unang-una, ilan ba i-restitute? Who's going to compute? Baka they will be able to abuse their discretion. Baka magkaroon pa ng corruption dito sa restitution because it is not provided by law. So sabi natin, ang totoo niyan, kahit na state witness na sila, if they cannot comply with the requirements, pwede mo naman sa tanggalin na sa state witness. Eh. But restitution will always happen at the end.
Well, we have different views, but anyway.
Hindi, kasi at WPP, we have not yet established the extent
Yes.
of the criminal activity.
Hindi
So,
niya
kailangan
aaminin sa'yo
tapusin
na
nila yan,
hindi po kami
You know,
nagnakaw.
but the fact that he's applying to be state witness, obviously,
Probably an
There's
expression
an-
of willingness to restitute. Yun siguro yung pwedeng...
But I'm just
you have
telling
to,
you,
The
hindi pwedeng
objective of the law
retroactive
kasi,
din
kaya
na-
naman kailangan mo yon. Napakahirap naman na i-pinpoint mo yung isda na malaki. Wala ka nang makukuha ng ganun kadali. So, itong mga taong ito were encouraged to do that in order to help the state prosecute the bigger fish.
well, anyway.
So
Yun
your-
ang exchange niya.
Your vision really is to go after the mastermind and therefore the root of all of
Yes,
this.
ma'am. That has
I
been
think
my
that is
position
not the
from the
monopoly
beginning.
of Senator Marcoleta's vision. It's a vision of everyone here
Of course,
to go
but
after the mastermind.
we're talking about how single-mindedly
Yeah.
this is how he crafted. In fact, the way you conducted the Senate Blue Ribbon when you were the chairman was in order to get at the big fish.
I told that in my
May tanong po ako sa inyo, final question, medyo we're running after. Pasensya na po. Eh kung hindi mag-go all the way sa Malacanang, ano kung magiging...
What do you mean all the way?
Sabi, kung may posible bang mag-go all the way to Malacanang, ho ba ito, sa tingin nyo ba, this problem will go all the way to Malacanang?
Hindi naman ganun eh. Ako sa akin, hanggang sa naabot pa yung ebidensya,
So ang
di ba?
naabot lang kay
Ang sinabi ni
Romualdez.
Gutesa, si Romualdez
the
eh.
evidence.
That's the whole point. I cannot speculate kung saan pa
beyond
pupunta yun.
that,
Basta ako, kung ano yung sinabi ni Gutesa, I'm strictly following that.
Okay. Thank you.
So, thank you very much, sir. May naunlakan
Ako
niyo
magpapasalamat sa inyo.
Pinaunlakan niyo kami sa aming request.
Malakas sa akin si...
Oo nga, dinig
Ano
ko
yan,
nga. Dinig ko nga. So, ano po yung final statement ninyo on this?
Yeah, sana ang taong bayan ay maging vigilant. Huwag po tayong maniniwala na dahil lamang sa sinabi ng abogado na hindi siya may pirma. Talagang maaring hindi po siya may pirma. Sa kalakaran po kasi, hindi naman po ang abogado po may pirma sa dami po ng mga notaryo publiko ngayon. Pero wala pong kasalanan si Gutesa. Wala po siyang capacity na siya yung kumuha ng dry seal, siya mag-i-stamp po kung Manila, kung Quezon City, at lalong-lalong hindi po niya magagawang hanapin kung ano yung document number na ilalagay niya, the page number, and the book number. Imposible na po yun. Kami pong mga abogado, nagkakaintindihan kami doon. Kaya pinapaliwanag po namin mabuti sa inyo.
Huling na, sir. Tingin nyo, matutuwa pa yung mga... anong reaction ng mga tao kung hindi... Nanghihintay sila ng may Malacanang echo man lang tungkol dito sa sa corruption issue.
Basta ako po kung hanggang saan po aabot ang ebidensya. Ang nakita ko po ay si Gutesa ay isang napakabuti at napakamalakas na ebidensya na nag-connect from Saldico to Martin Romualdez. Hanggang doon lang muna po tayo. Kung saan po aabot lahat nun, Diyos na po ang